Good afternoon student, welcome in my YouTube channel, that is Dr. Kshatriya Amita. This channel is for the BSc Agri student, particularly courses of agriculture extension education. If you like my videos, you can subscribe, like and share to other BSc Agri students. So today we are going to discuss topic under the course title, that is rural sociology and educational psychology. This is our fourth topic of this particular syllabus. So let's start our today's topic, that is the social stratification. In Marathi we called as a Samajik Starikaran. So what is the social stratification? Before that we are going to discuss about the meaning of stratification. So the term stratification is taken from a geologist who refers a different layer of soil. So this particular term of stratification is what is a starikaran or thar or layers. So it is taken from the geologist. So it is one of the term related to the soil, that is a different layer of soil or the rock or as a stratum. Stratum means thar. So there is a different layers of soil is there in a soil profile. Okay, so it is a rock soil is there. Okay, and the at the top that is humus is there. So like that. So it is nothing but is a different layer of soil. This stratification as per the geologist. Okay, it is taken from the geologist. So then what is actual meaning of stratification in a sociology, this particular rural sociology? So it's nothing but it is the process of defining and ranking such categories. So you should define a particular number or group of people in a rank, okay, in a different position. Okay, that is your stratification is there. So process of defining and ranking is called as your stratification. As shown in this diagram, whatever I given on this slide, it is a strata 1, strata 2, strata 3 and strata 4 is there. Okay, so here is nothing but there is a number of people present in the particular society. They are distributed or they are divided into different strata. Okay, so that will be the caste, on the basis of caste or on the basis of class, means by their permanent status or by their social status or economical status. So as per the different strata is there. So horizontal, what is the horizontal stratification is nothing but it is the when the peoples are from the same occupation, same profession, they are in a horizontal strata or horizontal stratification, and vertical from the lower class to higher class, that is a lower, middle and higher class. So that is a your stratification. So process of defining and ranking is called as a stratification. So what is the social stratification then? Social stratification is nothing but here the arrangement of the individuals or group of people into hierarchically arranged strata in a community. Okay, means what? Community is there. In community a lot of people, that is a group of people are there or individuals are there. They are arranged in a particular strata. Okay, in a hierarchically form. Hierarchically means one by one in a continuous way. Suppose for example higher level is there, higher to then middle to lower, like that. Okay, so according to caste or class we are going to discuss it later on. So just clear the definition of social stratification. It is nothing but it is the arrangement of individuals or group of people into hierarchically arranged strata in a community. That is your social stratification. Then next we are going to discuss about the functions of social stratification. So what are the functions of social stratification? First is the performance of social duties, then means accomplishing the essential job in a society, then regulation and control of individuals and group relationship and participation, contribution to the social integration and structure, simplification. So these are the 5 functions of social stratification are there. So what is the performance of social duties? So those persons or those individuals or those group of peoples are there and present in the particular stratification or particular strata or particular layer. They have some jobs, okay, prescribed jobs already there, means decided duties are already there. They are just follow that prescribed duties. So for example Brahman is there. So what is the duty of Brahman? Prescribed duty. Okay, so prescribed duty of Brahman is what? They called as a priest. So at temple at any religion places, okay, at a Hindu religion places I am talking about. So the Brahman, what they also arrange some ceremonies, that is a naming ceremony, marriage ceremony, so they have importance place at that particular ceremonies. So some of the prescribed duties are fixed of the to the particular strata, okay. So that is your perform, and according to that prescribed duties or prescribed whatever the rules or things are there, according to that they can do their performance. So in Marathi, performance of social duties what, सम काही लोक और काही आपण ग्रुप म्हणू, एखाद्या ग्रुपमधले जे काही व्यक्ती आहेत त्यांच्या ऑलरेडी काही ड्युटीज ह्या डिसाइडेड असतात और प्रिस्क्राईब्ड असतात, त्याच्याप्रमाणे ते त्या ड्युटीज करतात. सपोज फॉर एक्झाम्पल ब्राह्मण आहेत की ब्राह्मणाचं काम काय आहे, पुजारी, ते जे काही देऊळ आहे तिथे ते पुजारी म्हणून काम करतात, किंवा वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे जे काही सेरेमनीज असतात, वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे जे काही प्रोग्राम्स असतात, कार्यक्रम असतात, म्हणजे नेहमी नामकरण विधी असेल किंवा लग्न सोहळा असेल, तिथे ते पुजाऱ्यांचं काम असतं. ते दे हॅव द इम्पॉर्टन्स, दे शूड परफॉर्म दॅट ड्युटीज. So that is your first function of social stratification. Then the means of accomplishing the essential job in a society. So what kind of essential jobs are there? So some jobs are essential, they are dependent on the privileges and prestige, depend on the prestige. So for example, we are taking the army. So army is one of the those who are working in the army, they have the privilege means what, they have some special rights, त्यांना काही विशेष अधिकार आहेत, okay. They are working for the nation, so it is one of the essential duty. Army, who are working in the army, so there is different kind of the posts are there, different kind of the ranks are there, different kind of the roles, expectations of that particular post and rank. So there is a different kind of the ranks, okay. There is a captain is there, lieutenant is there, then major is there. So different kind of the post are there. So they perform the different kind of the duties according to their post. So that will be the privilege, okay. They have some special rights to perform their duties. So and it is essential in a society because they are work for the nation. So again, if they are doing the good work or they do something for the society, they should give the rewards in the form of symbols or in increment or any other thing. So that is about the thing is there. So accomplishing the essential job in a society, it is one of the function of social stratification. Function of social stratification, that is a regulation and control of individual and group relationship and participation. So due to the different strata and different group, regulation and control over the individual and group is possible. So relationship between the particular members in the group is possible. Why? Because the already prescribed duties are there. So according to that, if they are doing their duties, so it is have the control over their particular behavior, okay, or and particular relationship between each other in the particular group. And the next is a contribution to the social integration and structure. So here what contribution to the social integration and structure, the integration between the members is a more unity, solidarity within the members of that particular group is a more. Why? Because they have the coordination, have the cooperation with each other, they are doing the work within that group with coordinately. So automatically it becomes the social integration due to this social stratification who are present in that particular strata or particular group. Then the simplification. So simplification is nothing but due to this different strata according to the social status or according to the permanent status or according to the different occupations, and due to the interest and needs, the people are come together in the particular group or particular strata. So what happened? Simplification is found. So all are doing their work according to their whatever the roles, expectations are there. So relationship become with each other in the particular group is become strong, okay. So it simplify the work. Why? Because all are doing work according to their prescribed duties. So whatever the decided jobs are there, according to that they are doing. so they are not interfere with each other. So if we are taking the example of primary group, so primary group example is a family. So family members are known each other very clearly, okay, so they are understood each other, they know how to react particular person in which situation, okay, when to react, how to react. So all these things are there. So due to the social stratification, simplification of the group is become very easy, okay. So that is to identify the person, that is he is from or she is from the particular group. So it is happen and no confusion between the members of a group. So that is about the function of social stratification. Then we are going to discuss about the next, that is the basis of stratification. Some two basic basis of stratifications are there, that is ethnic and social. So what is the ethnic? So long year ago there is some racial dominancy over the other racial group is there. So ethnic or racial is what, when the one ethnic or racial people or group are dominated over the other. So for example, African peoples are there. African people are dominate over the Negro people due to their color, okay. They Negro people are slave of that particular African people, that the enslavement is there. So this is one of the ethnic stratification or racial stratification is there. So one racial group म्हणजे मराठीत आपण काय म्हणतो, एक वंश किंवा एक वर्णाचे लोक दुसऱ्या वर्णाच्या लोकांना काय करतात, डॉमिनेट करतात. सो दॅट इज अ इथनिक stratification, okay. Social stratification we already discussed, that is the people are arranged in a different strata or layer with hierarchically order, okay. So that is your social stratification. So social stratification is have some criteria, okay, some status are there, on that basis this particular stratification is arranged. So what are that criteria or determinants of status are there, we are going to discuss here under the social stratification. So wealth is there, then ancestry is there, functional utility, religion is there, and biological characteristics. So wealth is nothing but here we whatever the power or prestige or whatever the economic status of that particular person, individual person or group of people. So on that basis this particular stratification is depend or become, okay. So particular group is found or organized on the basis of wealth, okay. So this is one of the criteria. And the ancestry, so it is ancestry is nothing but the family background, okay. फॅमिली बॅकग्राऊंड, त्या एखाद्या कुटुंबाचं फॅमिली बॅकग्राऊंड कसं आहे त्याच्यावरती तो पर्टिक्युलर स्ट्राटा और पर्टिक्युलर ग्रुप हा फॉर्म होतो. सो ॲन्सेस्ट्री इज नथिंग बट दॅट इज अ डिटेल information or the background, family background of the particular individual or the particular group of person who are involved in the particular strata, okay. So it is not only the is related to all the things, that is their money, their land residence, all these things are there in ancestry. Then the functional utility, so it is a occupation or profession of that particular individual or the group of persons, okay. So on that basis this strata is developed. So that is functionality is nothing but the occupation or profession of the individual or the group of person, that is some of teacher, some of the doctor, some of the engineer, like that, okay. So blacksmiths are there, farmers are there, okay. Then the religion, there is a different kind of the religions are there. Hindu religion is there, Muslim, Christian, all these religions are there. So on the basis of their particular religion and on the particular religion, number of persons or group of person in a particular religion, they are believing on their particular religion or particular god or goddess. So on that basis belief of their particular person toward their particular god or goddess, this particular religion is a form. The biological characteristics, so it in this biological characteristics, age and sex is involved. So what that adulthood is there, childhood is there, so there is some age limits are there. According to that the particular age group is formed, and according to the sex, that is a male or female, particular person included in the male and female category. So these are the some criteria is there, so of status. So it is included in the social stratification. So this is about our definition of stratification, social stratification, functions of stratification and basis of stratification. Next part we are going to discuss in the next class. Thank you.